Everyone, it's Bruce and Jan, and we left for warmer weather, or what we thought was going to be warmer weather, January 2nd. We packed everything in the car the night before. We left the car in the backyard, and when we got up in the morning, it was 2 below. And it snowed. Not much, but enough that the roads were covered and the grass was covered, and at 2 below it was really cold. So by the time we got the driveway cleared off, which was easy, it was an easy job because it was white powder snow, and Bruce took the leaf blower and blew all the snow off the driveway. Brought the car up the hill. We put the last minute things in, which are all the electronic things, your cameras, your GPS, all that type of thing, because it's not supposed to be in the cold. And the temperature then was 2 above 0, and that's Fahrenheit. And we left for our trip. It was one of those trips that it should be on National Lampoon. The weirdest things happened to us on this trip. Not that we got hurt or anything like that. It was just really weird things, including the weather. We had no control over that. Our first day, we got down to probably Georgia, and it still was terribly cold. So we had to go into a motel. Now, we always figure our first day out in January, we're going to have to go into a motel. After that, if we get a camp spot with electric, we do just fine. So, inviting you to come along on our trip and watch the madhouse happen. See you later.